Canary release in AI systems. Canary release in AI is a deployment strategy where a new model is first rolled out to a small, controlled slice of traffic or users before it is gradually expanded to everyone.
A simple way to picture Canary release is like testing a new AI brain on just one corridor of your product, while the rest of the building still runs on the old brain. If that corridor stays stable, you slowly open more corridors to the new brain, watching metrics the whole time.
Imagine you are deploying a new recommendation model or LLM-based assistant. You route, say, 1% of users to the new model. Compare its click-through rate, latency, and error rates against the old model, and only increase traffic if those production metrics look healthy. This sits alongside concepts like model serving, where you manage which model version handles each request.
Canary release matters because AI models can fail in subtle ways. They can drift, bias can spike, or latency can quietly explode under real traffic. By limiting blast radius and tying rollout to live metrics, teams reduce risk, protect users and revenue, and gain confidence that the new model is truly ready. Remember, Canary release in AI systems.